Hello friends and irrigation nerds. Got this product I wanted to show you guys. Pretty darn cool. It's called Service Buddy, and it helps you flush out a valve and you don't get water in the valve and then things get sucked back in and making a big mess. Pretty darn cool. Right now it's only available for Hunter and Rainbird valves, but I know they're working on others. So check it out. And you can basically stick any sort of 1/2-inch tube on it so you can get all the water out when you flush it. So anyways, I'll show you how to do it. Basically put your hands on there like that. See anything? Anyway, it looks like this thing's got a little piece of cinder in it, so flush it out and then put it in a diaphragm. Fire this thing up. Ooh. Pretty good job. Alrighty. Got most of the water out. And I'm just gonna put a diaphragm on. My bad. I pulled it off. Oh boy. Alright, so I need 2 hands right there. We got some pretty good pressure.